My name is Todd Baron, and I'm a gastroenterologist and the director of advanced therapeutic endoscopy at the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill. So I serve patients who have complex diseases that require endoscopy, but not in the traditional sense of an endoscopy. So most people think of an endoscopy as I'd had a colonoscopy or I had an upper endoscopy. Those are endoscopies, of course. I do very, very advanced, high-level therapeutic procedures. And what that means is I kind of mimic a lot of things that are done with surgery, whether it be open surgery or laparoscopic surgery, but I use an endoscope. And those problems can vary from mostly pancreas and bile duct disorders. I have been draining gallbladders, which is actually relatively new, but I've been doing that since 2007. I drain pancreatic pseudocysts and diseases of the pancreas. I relieve blockages in the GI tract with stents. So there's a variety of things that I can do with an endoscope that replace surgery. And generally I do things that either other physicians can't do or don't really want to do because they're high-risk procedures. Well, the first thing, of course, is I do a lot of pre-procedural planning because I do a lot of procedures, of course. So when I meet patients, I inform them of the risks of the procedures we're about to do. What are the alternatives to what I can do, so that they understand going in that we can do some things that are a little bit different, but they understand the context of what we're doing. The most rewarding part of my job is the fact that I can make a difference quickly. Like what I do impacts people almost immediately. So rather than say you give somebody a medication and you have to wait for the effect, with some of these procedures, you get the immediate gratification. Both the patient and myself get the immediate gratification of something that helped them. So I race competition go-karts all around the country. I've won 2 Grand National Championships when I was about 20, and they're on ESPN if anybody wants to find those. I actually posted them on YouTube, but I most recently won another Grand National Championship 2 years ago. This is what I do. So I travel around the country racing high-speed go-karts.